Hi, and welcome to New Orleans. I'm in the French Quarter and it is real. We are here right in the midst of the coronavirus, and they're shutting all of the restaurants tonight at 9, and there are so many people who work here who depend on tourism and the hospitality industry, which is just taking a beating right now. So this is really real for the bellhops and the waitresses and the waiters, all the people who work in the hospitality industry. And so I've been talking to them as I've walked around the French Quarter to say, what are you going to do? Most of them don't know. So I'm always talking about the value of a plan. And there's no need for hindsight, because hindsight is not going to help us. But this is a perfect example of how quickly things can change, both in the broader national and even global economy, but in your own personal life. What does the next 2 weeks look like? What do the next 4 weeks look like? We don't know. The value of a plan, I'm always talking about that plan. Having that money set aside and knowing that you are okay is so valuable. No one could foresee this coming months ago, but here we are. We're all living it. The grocery stores have been raided, no paper products. Who knows what's coming? It's not just the government's plans, the state's plans, the local municipalities, but it's your plan. What are you going to do for the next 4 weeks, and how are you going to be impacted? This is a great opportunity once we come out of this, and we will for sure come out of this. But what are you going to do differently moving forward? What are you going to do to make sure that you don't have this panic of not having income for a month or 2 months, or even for some industries, it may be 3 or 4 months? I want you to think about this. Use this time to really think about where you are today and how you can be better positioned in the future. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to think about your vision. You have to have a vision, not just for the next few weeks. We're all sort of in this together, but I want you to think about where you want to be in the future. Where do you want to be in 5 years, so that these unpredictable events don't throw you off course? Where are you going? Put that in writing. Number 2, I want you to think about, do you already have a savings plan? If you do, are you putting everything that you could into that savings plan, an investment account? If you were investing right now, this is the perfect opportunity. The stock market's dropping. This is an opportunity for great investments if you have the funds to invest. Make sure you're saving and maximizing all of your savings and your investment opportunities. Number 3, what are the actions you are taking today? Not 5 weeks from now or 10 weeks from now, but what actions can you take now to start changing your mindset and your lifestyle to make sure that you are prepared for the future? For example, this morning when we woke up in the hotel in the French Quarter, the first thing that we did is buy stock. The stock market was dropping. We had funds set aside for it. We transferred those over, made some great purchases. A lot of those stocks will rebound over the next few months. We'll do that again tomorrow. We'll do that again over the next week. Not to take advantage of the situation, but knowing that we have a great economy and it's going to come back. These are the opportunities you want to invest, and you want to have the funds set aside to do that when the opportunity comes about. Go to my website, look at my free resources, read my 2 books, take advantage of all the free resources there at lyndaleesmith.com. That's Lynda with a Y, and I'll talk to you again real soon. I don't get it. Oyster Rockefeller soup. I don't get it.